So you are the Oyster. I heard your name is Oyster.
Oyster, yeah.
Yeah, what do you guys do out here? Obviously, slightly different name from DefCon, but I saw the smiley face. So,
yeah. So,
what's going on out here?
So we are one of the local DefCon meetups. So DefCon has community meetups around the world, and we are one of them. We are DC256. So the local DefCon meetup for the 256 area code. We have monthly meetups here at Gigaparts here in Huntsville.
Oh, cool.
On the third Friday of every month.
Nice.
We also have a Discord, and if you go to our Discord, we stream as well, so you don't have to be here local to Huntsville. We do a wide variety of talks. We last night we did an SER hacking talk. We did a lockpicking workshop back in February. We did satellite hacking. We've done social engineering. We do everything all across the board.
That's cool.
So we welcome everyone, makers, breakers, everyone in between.
What's your website? You have a website?
Yes, we do have a website. It is dc256.org. So
and obviously, you're local here in Huntsville.
we are local here, but we welcome people from all around the world.
Absolutely. But if somebody wanted to find maybe their own DC something in their area, is there like a centralized repository of websites?
Yeah, so if you go to the DefCon forums, I believe it's there.
Okay.
You go and try to find one of your local community meetups.
Mm-hmm.
And you can try to find one of your local DefCon groups there. Or
Nice.
you can also just Google DC and then your area code, and you'll usually find something.
So I also lockpick, and I was told Huntsville don't want to have lockpicks. They'll treat them as, thieves' tools. Is that not true? Is that somebody told me on one of my many comments on YouTube? Yeah. Somebody told me don't bring lockpicks.
So first of all, we're not lawyers. We can't give legal advice.
Good answer. Good.
There is a website called Tool, the open organization of lockpickers.
Mm-hmm.
And if you go to their website, they have a page on lockpicking laws, and so you can see state by state what each jurisdiction's rules are. Excellent.
But as far as Tool would be concerned, if you go to the website, they would say Huntsville, it's okay to carry them, and you're good to go.
Yeah, we checked it before we went and did everything, and as far as we're aware, everything's fine.
Excellent.
We've never had any problems. So.
Well, thank you, Oyster. I appreciate taking the time and explaining what you guys are up to.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
I like your. Okay, that makes sense because it's Huntsville.
Yeah.
You got to have. Okay, yeah, I got it now. That's cool.